Okay, so here we're going to look at the Angles 2 module on Khan Academy. You get a lot of problems like this where you have a star with some given angles. Let's look at how that might work. Here they give you GCH, this green angle is 30 degrees, right? Label that in green, sorry. And FGH right here in orange is 102. They want to know what is IHE, the blue angle down here. So in this problem, I'm not really going to be using much in terms of what I know about transversals or parallel lines, right? They don't list any parallel lines here to begin with. So what I would do is look to use triangles, right? So I'm highlighting a triangle I see. I chose this triangle because I'm given angle, this green angle here that's in the triangle. I know the orange angle can help me because it's supplementary to this angle right here. It's supplementary to angle CGH. That means they add up to 180 degrees, right? So if the orange angle is 102, this brown angle will be 180 minus 102, right? And that's equal to what? It's equal to 78 degrees. So now we have 78 degrees and this 30 degrees. Our triangles are just missing this one angle. So again, it adds up to 180, right? So 78 plus 30 is 108. So we have 108 degrees so far, and to make 180 degrees, right, what do we need? Well, we have 78 and 30 is 108. So we just need 72 more degrees to make 180, right? But notice IHE is a vertical angle to this brown angle here, so it's also equal to 72 degrees, right? This line and this line cross to form those two vertical angles. In a lot of the other problems in this module, you'll be dealing with parallel lines and a transversal, right? So here they tell us that DE and BC are parallel, these two lines right here. We can infer that these two lines right here are transversals because they're crossing the two parallel lines, and they want us to find DAF. Well, I have two parallel lines. I have this angle here, and I have the transversal right here, BA. So if I draw this angle here, it's going to be the exact same thing. It's also going to be 46 degrees, right? Because we have two angles on opposite sides of this transversal in between the two parallel lines. Those are alternate interior angles. Now, once I have that, if I take 101 degrees and 46 and angle DAF, what I form is a supplementary angle, right? It's 180 degrees, a straight line. So to find DAF, I take what I have so far, 101 and 46, and I add them together, and I take that away from 180, right? So this is 147 degrees. If we are looking for a supplementary angle, we've got to take that away from what remains to get to 180. So here that's 33 degrees, and that's the value of DAF. So basically, take 180 degrees, subtract the angle measures you have, and that'll give the third remaining piece here, angle DAF. One last look at the star diagram. These are always, I think, complex because you've got to kind of switch your mindset from transversals to triangles, really. And of course, they're related to each other, but that's a pretty tough switch to make. For example, in this one, they give you the measure of BDC, that's this green angle right here, and they give you the measure of DBE, this orange angle up here. They want you to find GHC, this blue angle right here. So I use what I know about triangles to draw a triangle like this, because this includes the green and orange angle. It can help me find the blue angle, because the blue angle is supplementary to this angle here, right? Draw it again. This angle is supplementary to GHC. They form a straight line. So I could use, right, if I extend this, you can kind of see this is an exterior angle to a triangle. It's going to equal the sum of the orange and green angles. But I can also think, okay, well, 36 degrees and 37, right? That's what? Well, 30 plus 30 is 60, plus 13 is 73 degrees. So to find the third angle in the triangle, I subtract 73 from 180. That gives me 107 degrees. That's the measure of this angle right here, 107 degrees. So GHC is also, again, supplementary to 107. So I subtract 180, right? I subtract 73 from 180. Sorry, 107 from 180, and I get 73 degrees. So this angle here was 107. This is 73. Together they make 180, and the answer is 73. Also, it's an exterior angle, so it equals the sum of 36 and 37. All right, thanks. Hope this helped.